Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today I am playing some Accelerate version 4. It's still an alpha, but I mean they call it alpaca, but still, whatever. And yeah, they literally just updated it and gave vehicle sounds. So I thought I'd just give everyone like a little update, whoever likes this game, on about that they've added sounds to the cars. So yeah, I mean the sounds. This game's still very heavily WIP, work in progress. But the car sounds right now, they do sound okay. I mean they're pretty good. And the cars also have eyes in the sounds. Listen. Well, can't hear actually. I just did that. See, don't know why I said that, but yeah, so yeah, there's sounds in this game now, and the sound sounds really nice. It's update, so it's very nice. So that's all I really wanted to say to you guys, and yeah. I hope you like the face cam and my mic. Hope it's good. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.